For me, the OneControl was useful because I'm a tech guy. I always have gadgets. My house is voice control, lights, all of that. And the OneControl system was really the only one I could find on the market, and it does even more than I really was even looking to do.
We have 2 dogs, we have 2 toddlers. You know, you can't let them out till you get everything unhitched and everything like that. So he's outside in the rain trying to get that settled. I'm out there trying to, you know, direct him to back up and also keep the kids calm because now they're already frustrated. Now we're out of the car.
Being disabled, not being able to get in and out, that auto hitch height memory feature of the leveling system is definitely going to be beneficial for that. Not having to go grab the level, go in, out, all of that, kind of just push a button and it's ready to go. The ability to control the awning, so again, an experience we had sitting in Canada, I'd put the awning out, we wake up in the middle of the night, have a loud thump, and realize that it's the awning flapping with the ice forming on it and have to stand there and pull it in. Well, with OneControl, I can sit there and do it from my phone in bed if it happens to be something like that. Now I don't have to run in or to put my slides out when I'm setting up that, you know, or have somebody inside and yelling to try to say, yep, we're good, we're cleared a spot to make sure. The OneControl lets me do it straight from my phone. And the fact that the OneControl can actually dim the lights in there, because they put the same bright lights everywhere in there, including right above your face in the bed, which makes a horrible light. So now the fact that we can actually dim those lights, we can actually use them and not disturb each other near as much.
I can read a book without having it bright light in his face at night. Would be nice. You know, the whole purpose of, you know, having a camper and being able to travel and take the kids is to, you know, enjoy life and enjoy what we have to offer in our country, all different states and things like that. Not having any added stress, it's just going to make it better, you know, make us be able to do more and enjoy more.